Apple is widely expected to unveil the iPhone 18 lineup later this year, most likely in September, sticking to its traditional launch timeline. Early leaks suggest that Apple's main focus this year will be on the Pro models, while the standard iPhone 18 and a possible Air variant may be pushed to next year. Even though the official launch is still some time away, multiple reports have already painted a fairly clear picture of what to expect from the iPhone 18 Pro. Rather than introducing a dramatic redesign, Apple appears to be concentrating on refining key areas and improving the overall user experience in practical ways. Here are the most notable upgrades expected in the iPhone 18 Pro. One of the biggest highlights is the camera system. The iPhone 18 Pro is rumored to feature a 48-megapixel Fusion main camera with a variable aperture, something Apple has never offered on an iPhone before. A variable aperture allows the camera to adjust how much light enters the lens depending on the environment. In low-light conditions, the aperture can open wider to capture more light, resulting in brighter and clearer photos. In well-lit scenes, it can close slightly to improve sharpness and create more natural background blur. This means users can get better results automatically without needing to tweak settings manually. For photography enthusiasts, this could be one of Apple's most meaningful camera upgrades in years. Battery life is another area where Apple may deliver noticeable gains, particularly with the iPhone 18 Pro Max. According to leaks, the Pro Max model will include a larger battery compared to its predecessor. While exact capacity figures are not yet available, even a modest increase could translate into longer screen, on time, and fewer charging breaks. This would be especially beneficial for users who spend long hours gaming, streaming videos, using navigation, or relying heavily on mobile data throughout the day. The future of the dynamic island remains uncertain, but changes are clearly on the way. Some reports suggest Apple may remove the dynamic island entirely on the Pro models and replace it with a single punch hole cutout positioned on the left side of the display. This would likely be paired with under-display Face ID technology, marking the biggest front design change since the iPhone X. Other leaks, however, claim Apple will keep the dynamic island but make it smaller even if Face ID moves under the screen. While the final design is still unclear, it is evident that the iPhone 18 Pro will feature a refreshed front layout. Apple is also expected to upgrade the display technology itself. The iPhone 18 Pro models are rumored to use Samsung's latest OLED panels with LTPO technology. These displays are designed to be more power efficient while still supporting adaptive refresh rates from as low as 1 Hz up to 120 Hz. This allows for smooth scrolling and animations while conserving battery life during static content. The new panels may also support under-display infrared sensors, which aligns with rumors of hidden Face ID components. If accurate, users can expect a display that looks better while consuming less power. Another small but practical change could involve the camera control button. Current leaks suggest Apple may remove touch sensitivity and haptic feedback from the button, leaving only pressure-based input. This change would help reduce accidental touches and unintended gestures. By relying solely on pressure, users could get more precise and reliable control when taking photos or recording videos, improving everyday usability. Storage options are also expected to expand. The iPhone 18 Pro models are rumored to start at 256 GB and go up to a massive 2 TB option. This would be especially useful for users who shoot high-resolution photos, record ProRes videos, store large files, or use demanding apps. As AI features and advanced camera capabilities continue to grow, higher storage capacities may soon feel essential rather than optional, although they will likely come with higher prices. On the performance front, the iPhone 18 Pro is expected to debut Apple's new A20 Pro chip, reportedly built using TSMC's advanced 2nm process. Compared to current 3nm chips, this could deliver around a 15% performance boost and up to 30% better power efficiency. Smaller transistors generally mean less heat and improved battery life, allowing the phone to feel faster while using less power during daily tasks. The back design may also see refinement. Recent Pro models have shown a slight color mismatch between the glass used for wireless charging and the surrounding metal frame. Apple is expected to address this by better aligning the finishes for a more uniform look. Earlier rumors of a partially transparent back now seem unlikely, with newer reports pointing toward a cleaner, more polished design. Connectivity could improve significantly as well. Apple is rumored to use its in-house C2 modem across the entire iPhone 18 lineup, fully replacing Qualcomm modems. The C2 modem is expected to offer better 5G performance, improved carrier aggregation, and lower power consumption. This could result in faster speeds, more stable connections, and better battery efficiency during heavy data usage. One potential downside is weight, especially for the Pro Max. With a larger battery and additional hardware, The iPhone 18 Pro Max could weigh over 240 grams, making it the heaviest iPhone ever. Apple appears willing to accept extra weight in exchange for improved battery life and performance. Overall, based on current leaks, the iPhone 18 Pro looks like a carefully refined upgrade. Instead of flashy changes, Apple seems focused on meaningful improvements to the camera, battery performance, display, and connectivity, which could make it one of the most balanced Pro iPhones yet.